and how that proceeds.
RBI Governor Raghuram Rajan on Sunday said that the government and the central bank need to be more vigilant about the food price situation against the backdrop of unseasonal rains damaging some crops. As per the Finance Bill 2015-16, the central government will entrust the Public Debt Management Agency with the issue of government securities, including short-term papers, and not the RBI. Ajay Mishra's report, DD News.
Finance Minister Arun Jaitley reviewed the state of capital markets and discussed with SEBI the budget proposals, including for Gujarat's GIFT City. Jaitley discussed capacity building, infrastructure requirements with regard to commodity regulator FMC's merger with SEBI. The regulatory body also discussed trends in foreign investments with the finance minister during the meeting. SEBI emphasized the need for allowing pension money into the markets. The regulator also raised the issue of real estate investment trusts with the finance minister and approved issuance of municipal bonds. On the other side, SEBI board approved guidelines for International Financial Services Centres, that is IFSC. The board also approved relaxation in norms for conversion of debt into equity by lenders of listed companies in distress. SEBI chairman UK Sinha said that the board has got complaints about insider trading with leaked government documents and a probe is continuing in this matter. Sending across a strong message, India has asked Pakistan to end the atmosphere of terror along the border, saying that New Delhi wants to maintain friendly relations with the neighbouring country. This was expressed by Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh, who on Sunday laid the foundation stone for erecting new seating galleries at the retreat area in Amritsar.